Hear me I say, people them they are foreign when I have no intention to go back to Jamaica. We say Jamaica the worst place ever and them nah go back this one. Ray and this and that. Do me a favor now, because I know say majority of you know, some dead left land there, especially if you have piece of land at Portland. You know want to sell meat. Between me and your family member them now for know man. Just make me know what I go on. Sell me a piece of land, man. You see me? Because Jamaica is the worst place ever. Foreign there, they are heaven. No have no need to go back to hell where I come from. Sell me a piece of land now. Yeah, man. Nobody make no family contention and all them something there. Sell me land. Get rid of the stress. We are hold it down at Jamaica. Sell me land. Link me. Shoot me a message in my DM if you're serious. Yeah, man. It's preferably if something we have, you know, like one river nearby or near to the seaside. Sell me a piece of land, man. Yeah, man.